So I think there is always scope for all of us to improve. But
Yes.
the reality is, all of us believe that you have to spend all your time reading. But the reality is, see, we are all managing other people's money. So we've got a lot of portfolios. So what happens? What do you do with your portfolio? So if you spend all your time reading, when are you going to spend time thinking on what you want to do in your portfolio? The reality is what the reality is, and this is something Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger says that they spend a lot of time reading and they spend a lot of time thinking. And the reality is that thinking time is very important because you have to assimilate what you have read and try to convert what you have read into action in the portfolios that you run. And that is very important. So I actually tell people, particularly in Bombay, and one of the problems that has happened with WFH is that there is no commute time. Otherwise, I used to tell people, if you're sitting in a car going to home, you use that time to think on your portfolios. So now with WFH, you have to use some other time because you've saved a lot of time on commute, but you still need to find time to think on your portfolios, because along with reading time, along with time when you spend time talking to people and WhatsApping, you have to spend the time to think on your what you have read, what you have spoken, what you are reading, WhatsApping, and you have to spend that time to think on what you have read and to convert it into suitable action. And in my reading, once you spend that time thinking, you will understand what you have to do. Like Howard Marks says, it is not the first order decision which decides what happens to the right investment decision. It is the second order thinking and the third order thinking which leads to much better results for most people. So the second order thinking is required, and you have to spend that time on that second order thinking and third order thinking. And that's the reality.